Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to join the Bybit Referral program. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left hand corner and then you are going to see the option of invite friends here. So you will have to tap on invite friends and then you will be landed on this referral page. Now over here it will show you that once you invite your friends you can get up to 30% commission over here. So if you want to invite your friend, then you will have to tap on this invite friend option in the bottom and then you are going to see your QR code as well as your coupon code, which you can copy and you can even share it on the social media websites that you have, such as Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. So this is how you can easily find your referral code and you can share it with your friends or family members and you can ask them to join the Bybit and you can earn commission from it. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.